This is the TSC 55 REG. It's a cordless plunge cut saw from Festool. This has a 160mm blade and it's spun by two 18-volt batteries. Now you can run it in either one battery or two batteries for either 18-volt or 36-volt. The blade's RPM varies depending on your battery configuration. There's a variable speed dial as well for added control. The brushless motor has a smooth startup. Electric control provides a constant blade speed under load, and when you release the trigger, there's a blade brake. The saw bevels from -1 to 47 degrees, snapping at 0 and 45. On both bevel and plunge, the gauges are super easy to read, very accurate. I love also that on the plunge gauge, it shows the difference between the rail thickness. Maximum plunge depth 55mm, 51mm when using the rail, and one of the benefits of using that rail is not just that you get a really straight cut, but you get no breakout next to the rail either. And as an added bonus, this saw comes with a splinter guard. It gives you that sweet finish on the other side of the blade as well, perfect for cutting melamine board or cross-cutting veneer sheet. And blade changing is super easy. You just lift the tab marked Fast Fix, it'll lock the blade in place and reveal the tool for changing it. Now, as a cabinet maker, I love that this saw has a riving knife that raises and lowers with the blade. That removes your risk of blade bind, especially when ripping solid timber. I paired it today with the CT Mini for a dust-free sight. Now, I didn't clamp the track down today when I was using it and it stayed steady for me. Really impressed. But if you're doing something in more than one pass, don't risk it. Get yourself the clamps as well. The accuracy of a panel saw and the portability to get the job done on location. Minimal noise, minimal mess, maximum safety and build quality. That's the TSC 55 REG from Festool. You got any questions about this saw? Hit me up in that comment section below, and until next time, I'm Tim. You're watching Sydney Tools TV.